Hi everyone, this is Wraptor Customs and you're watching Project 700 Widebody XF. So if you haven't figured it out already, Project 700 Widebody XF, we plan to get this 5 litre supercharged Jaguar over the 700 horsepower mark. We're also going to create a custom wide body metalwork for it. But we're not going to stop there. We've got some huge wheels to go on it. We've got a big brake upgrade for it. We've got a custom steering wheel. We're going to fix the problematic bubbling leather dashboard. We have a custom bonnet we've made for it and more. So what we're going to do is make a little episode for each main upgrade that we do, so you can browse through our YouTube channel and jump to the one that you're interested in, or if you like you can watch them all from start to finish. That would be great also. I hope you enjoy this little series. Thanks. So the car's currently running some wheel spacers on the hubs to push the wheels further out, give it a bit more of a stance, and of course because the track is wider it can improve cornering a little bit. Probably be a bit careful when purchasing wheel spacers, so wheels use quality branded ones, proper hub centric ones that have the correct size piece in here for your road wheel to locate it bang on central to the hub. We clean both mating surfaces, make sure there's no rubbish and they sit perfectly flat. We then torque the wheel nuts up to the correct specifications and then paint mark them so you can quickly check by removing the wheel if any have come loose. But I'm not sure we're going to need these. These wheels are so wide, I think we're probably going to lose the wheel spacers on this car, but let's test fit it and just see. Wow, yeah, we're going to lose the spaces. That's crazy. That sticks out a country mile. There's loads of room behind the wheel here. It's not going to rub, so we're going to remove the spacers. See how it sits there. So I'm just looking at the holes where the wheel nuts go on the alloy wheels, and it looks like the old wheels are designed to take these original wheel nuts which kind of have a flat washer on them, but the new wheels have a tapered shape, so I think it's designed to actually take a different type of wheel nut. So I think these are okay just to test fit them, but to drive the car we're going to need some new ones. So I'm going to measure them up now and see what size it takes. Yeah. Okay, so they are 12mm and the pitch of the threads is 1.5mm, so that is M12 by 1.5mm wheel nuts with a tapered end. That's what we need. Okay, wheels are on, here we go. So the front wheels sit only a tiny bit further out with no spacer on than the original wheels with spacers. Very similar there. But the back wheels, check it out. Oh, they poke out. So So we're going to have to make some big flary custom wheel arches to accommodate that wheel, and that's with the wheel spacer removed. Woo! I'm excited. So when the suspension goes down, which we've done by jacking up the opposite corner of the car, we can see what's gonna happen. It's gonna rub. So we definitely need some flared arches on there.